Hello all, welcome back to our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see about key generation for steganography using DNA sequence. First, I will explain the abstract here. In a paper, focus on key generation for zero steganography, which is a method of data hiding that does not modify the cover image. That is the object used to console the data. Our key is the steganography. The key is used in the steganography process. It is generating using the DNA sequence and involves specific operation like shifting and flipping in the binary presentation of data. By this experiment, you can indicate that the key generation algorithm have a low probability of being cracked by the meeting, the avalanche creation. So the input results are being modified. I'll explain in the introduction, so we'll have a good idea of this. In the introduction, our contest is nothing but it will discuss the importance of secure communication in the modern technology landscape, where smartphones and internet have become integral to daily life so that this connectivity also increase the risk of data security breaches. For data security concern, we have these are due to for data security concern is due to risk and securing data during transmission has become critical. So we have introduced the two common methods for securing data are cryptography and steganography. In cryptography, it will be encrypts like text or image, and then is steganography. It will be hides information with seemingly innocent objects like image in a way that makes the data hidden to the human eye. This method focuses on maintaining the confidential and authenticity of hidden data without raising any alarms. Uh, our concept, you can see that you can see this. First, our concept is unique from the steganography, where the object is like image, where object like image and remains unchanged when it harder to detect any other information exists. So our key generation of steganography key is crucial for ensuring the security of the hidden data. The paper suggests using DNA sequence due to their complexity and diversity, which can help in creating robust keys. Now, based on this model, this is a basic steganography model. You can see it. I'll explain you a problem statement so that you have a good idea of a problem statement. In our problem statement, first of all, the historical context is since the inception of remote communication, the need of secure communication always existed and continues to grow. Now, in the modern days challenge, in the internet era, the volume of information exchange is increased dramatically and simplifying communication, but also heightening the risks associated with the data transfer. Our security concern is the primary challenge is to secure data transfer by risking number of hacking incidents and security breaches referred to as those kind of real-time incidents in this. Our objective is, first of all, our objective is nothing but this paper introduced the zero steganography as steganography method that does not alter cover image. Our concept is to seek and establish between payload, that is the information to be hidden on the cover image, thereby generating a stegno key. Our focus is the key is central focus of the research paper. The paper proposes a novel method for generating the steganography key utilizing DNA sequence, which can provide complexity and security in the key generation purpose. I'll show you the code so you'll have a good idea of this project. Yeah, yeah, this is our main code. I'll run this code so you'll have a good understanding of this. Yeah. Welcome to a generation of zero steganography using DNA sequence. Now I will encrypt any text lively. You can see that. Now I'm giving message as now, and then I'm encrypting this message using any. numbers, basically encryption. So this is a passkey to open this message. Now I will do input path. I will give an object to the image. I mean the message. That is nothing but any kind of image. I'll do this image and output path. The where should be this could be decrypted. Decrypted in final. Yeah, it will be saved here. The message and submit. Now Now you can see that our successful encrypted and stored saved in this path. Now I will show you our now we will decrypt now we will decrypt the text. You can see that you should give the password what you entered in that and input path. What image you have encrypted and that image you should do and then submit. Yeah. You can see that the decrypted message is here. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.